All right, so here we are, a week in my life. Okay, so Monday. As you can see, I had another little DIY hair trim. I came this close to shaving my head. I'm still tempted to do it because I'm just so frustrated with my hair. At the beginning of my self-isolation, the first haircut that I gave myself because I just couldn't handle it anymore because my hair had turned into a mop, I was like super proud of myself. I'm like, wow, look at you, Emily Wheatley, just doing it all. Who needs a hairstylist? Okay, so hair has been trimmed, it's all cleaned up. I'm still not a massive fan, I'm not gonna lie. This DIY hair styling. All right, love. I procrastinated last week and did not finish my filming for my bike short video, so I didn't do my B-roll. You know, like the stuff where I'm trying on the clothes and wearing the clothes and dancing around for you guys. So I have to do that today for my Wednesday episode. Tuesday was one of the hottest days we've had so far this summer on Poolside, but with my homie Gus. No. And was rocking my new Brixton Joanna hat. Okay, so Wednesday. This is my last day of my 30-day review with the Chimela Salvage Denim jeans that I got from Roztaker. I mean, how magnificent is the light in here for my last day of vlogging these jeans. Today is day 30, the last day of my 30-day jeans review with the Chimela Salvage Denim. So just keeping it real simple with my Parks Project crop t-shirt, little Club Monaco belt, and my new Melissa slide sandals, representing for Pride. Yes. I mean, I'm sorry, but can we just talk about how amazing this lighting is? Oh, and my camera is on this like face mode. I need to take it off because I don't actually like how unnatural it looks, but girl, looking good, yeah. Thursday. So here we are, people. It's Thirsty Thursday today. You're my happy hour date. So what I'm sipping on today is actually House, which is an aperitif. I actually came across them on YouTube, on another YouTube channel, and I was completely pulled in by their branding, by their aesthetic. They have this amazing, just sleek bottle with just this clean white wrap, very minimalist, and it completely, like tractor beam, like a moth to a flame. So because of that, I had to check them out. So it was actually started by creative Helena Price Hambrecht and Woody Hambrecht. And Woody is a third generation winemaker. They actually have their own farm out in Sonoma County, California. They currently have 3 flavors. They have citrus flower, bitter clover, and ginger yuzu. Ginger yuzu is what I'm drinking right now. Delicious. What also kind of pulled me in is that they're an aperitif. So aperitif is basically just a lower percentage of alcohol to your normal alcohol. I think this one's 20%, which is still pretty good, pretty intense. So still does the trick. Yep. On that note, I did start the day on a healthy note. I tried doing ring exercises today for my exercise. Yeah, so that was interesting.
Hold up, place go wild when I pull up. They all on me like they want some. Think I got what you need, well I have none. Hop off, you're a freak and I'm handsome. Slide up in the club like 2 chains. This snake is on top of the full chain. Stand out like a star, no new name.
Okay, so Friday. Today's technically Thursday, but I know what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to be organizing my shoes because they've gotten a little bit crazy. A little crazy. I don't like chaos in my wardrobe. And while doing that, I will realize that I have quite the Nike collection. So should we fast forward to tomorrow? No? Okay, so my shoe situation is getting a little bit crazy. Turns in the front closet. These guys are gonna go in the guest bedroom closet. Okay, so here's where we're at. Got all my black boots up here because I'm not really wearing them as much right now. And then I've got all my sneakers here, which I just realized how many Nike sneakers I have at this point. 7, which I guess isn't really that much to a lot of people, but it's a lot to me. So should we try them all on? I think we should. Yep. Here she is. These are so hard to get off. And I'll be ending my week and beginning my weekend in my usual way, which is a movie night, my favorite part of the week. Gus, for a 3.5-year-old, has very mature taste in movies. Kid is like less scared of stuff than I am. Oh, we watched Shazam. I don't know if anybody else has seen Shazam, but there's the 7 deadly sin monsters on there, and they're pretty scary, and they do some kind of scary things. Oh shoot, he's gonna have some nightmares. So I was trying to cover his eyes. He like pushes me away. He's like, "Mommy, they're just pretend." Fair enough. Better grasp on reality than I did at that age. Probably more than I do at this age. All right, you guys, that's it for me for this week. I hope that you've had a good week. I hope that you're kicking back, having a drink, enjoying your weekend. Cheers to that. And we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.